greetings of the day everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and sound. I Kirti welcome you all to RKP online classes. Beta, today we are going to start our reasoning and with first chapter, that is patterns. Now, what is pattern? It is a series. We have to find out different type of logics in the given series and we have to find out the answer. Now, some important points related to this chapter. How can we find out what is the series? What is the pattern given in the series? So these all things we are going to discuss in this chapter. So important points are, first is series. It can be of numbers, letters, combination of numbers and letters and figures. In this, a particular pattern is given to us. We have to find out that pattern, and according to the given the pattern, we have to insert the answers in the given options. Means 4 or 5 options will be there. Okay, and then we have to find out the correct answer. First of all, we have to find out the perfect series, perfect pattern. Clear? What is the missing number like this? Which is the pattern? Whether we are doing addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, like this we have to find out. If the series is related to letters, then how many letters we are skipping? After how many letters the next letter is there? Like this we have to find out the series. Completion of figure pattern. In these type of questions, figures are given to us, okay, and one figure will be missing, and we have to find out which one is the missing figure, and out of the options we have to find out the correct answer. Now, figure matrix. Matrix means when we work with rows and columns, like this. In these type of questions, we have to find out the series, whether it is column wise or row wise. Now the next is inserting the missing character. Any series is given to us. Okay. In these type of questions, we have to find out what is next. But in these type of question, we have to find out the character which is missing in the series, not at the last. In the series we have to find out. So now we will start with the example. So first example is given to us, which number will replace the question mark in the number pattern given below. So the question is given to us, the series is given to us, pattern is there, we have to find out the pattern and then we have to find out the value for this question mark. I hope the question is clear to you. So the numbers are given to us 100, 81, 64. Here I have to find out the value 36 and 25. So now let's start. 100 means 10 multiplied by 10, square of 10. Square means when we multiply a number by itself only. Like I am doing multiplication of 10 and 10 means multiplication of 10 with itself. So it is known as square. Now 9 nines are 81. So it means it is the square of 9. It is the square of 10. It is the square of 9. Now this is 8 eights are 64. So it is the square of 8. So here square of 10, square of 9, square of 8. And in this part 6 6 are 36. Square of 6 given to us. Now 5 5s are 25. It means square of 5. Now what is the pattern here? Square of 5, square of 6, square of 8, square of 9 and square of 10. So which is the missing number here? 7. 5, 6, 7. It means square of 7. 7 multiplied by 7. 7 sevens are 49. So what is the answer here? 49. So this is the missing number here. I hope this example is clear to you all. Now beta, our next example is related to a matrix. In this matrix, there are 3 rows and 3 columns. These are the rows. Row 1, this is row 2 and this is row 3. Clear? And this is column 1, column 2 and column 3. This is column 1, column 2 and column 3. And this is row 1, row 2 and row 3. So there are total 9 blocks. 3 rows multiplied by 3 columns. So how many blocks are there? 9 blocks are there. So in row 1 and column 1, this is row 1 and column 1. Clear? So which arrow is this? Downward. And this is upward. And this is left side. Clear? Row 1, column 1. Down arrow. Row 1, column 2. Up arrow, upside arrow. And this is left side arrow. So in each and every block there is a arrow. There is an arrow. But in this one, row 2 and column 2, we have to find out which arrow will be there. Clear? In this example, we have to find out which arrow will be there in row 2 and column 2. So, first of all, check the position of each and every arrow in each and every block. Down, down, up, left. Clear? Now, left is given, up is given. Left is given, up is given. Here, up, left, down. Means these 3 type of arrows are there. And which one type is arrow is not given in here? This is downside arrow. It is not given in this space, in this block. So our option B is the correct answer because it is showing the arrow downside. It is showing left. It is also left and it is upside, but it is showing downside. So which is the required option here? B option is the required answer. First of all, again I am explaining beta. First of all, check the positions of all the arrows. Then find out which one is the missing position in the given matrix. Okay, and then you will get your required answer. Now beta, another example. How many circles will be there in pattern 93? Look here. First pattern is given to us with 4 circles in it. Second pattern is given to us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles on it. Third pattern is given to us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 circles on it. So, pattern 1. How many circles are there? 4. Clear? Pattern 2. How many circles are there? 6. Pattern 3. How many circles are there? 8. Like this we have to move on and we have to find out the value for pattern 93. Clear? We have to find out the value for pattern 93. So, first of all, we have to find out what is the pattern here, which pattern we are using here, so that we can find out the value which is required. Okay, now 4 plus 2, 6 6 plus 2, 8. So like this, if we go on 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. So it is very lengthy process. Yes. So like this, if we will do, it will take so much time to sort out the question. Now, pattern number 1, multiply by 2. 1 2s are 2, plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4. This is also a way to find out the values, to find out the required answer. टेक द नंबर ऑफ पैटर्न, कौन सा पैटर्न है उसे लो, एक फिक्स नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करके चेक कर रहे हैं, वी आर चेकिंग इट, ओके। और फिर यहाँ पर भी सेम नंबर हो सकता है एंड इट कैन बी डिफरेंट ऑल्सो, सेम भी हो सकता है और डिफरेंट भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है। आई एम जस्ट चेकिंग, मैं सिर्फ चेक कर रही हूँ। 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 प्लस 2, 1 इज द नंबर ऑफ पैटर्न, कौन सा पैटर्न है। Now this is 2, 2 multiply by 2, सेम नंबर आपने मल्टीप्लाई करना है और सेम नंबर प्लस, 2 2s are 4 plus 2 which is equal to 6, 4 and 6 आ गया with the same pattern. Now 3 multiply by 2 plus 2, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Now I can complete the series like this, हो सकता है, it is possible. So अब क्या होगा, now we have to find out the value for 93. Now it is easy for us. How? Because I have to take only number of pattern. मुझे सिर्फ वो पैटर्न चाहिए जिसका नंबर मुझे फाइंड आउट करना है। अब मुझे चाहिए 93 के लिए वैल्यू, ओके। सो 93, दिस इज द नंबर ऑफ पैटर्न, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, ठीक है, बिकॉज हेयर ऑल्सो आई एम डूइंग मल्टीप्लीकेशन विथ 2 ओनली एंड प्लस 2. सो 93 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, 2 3s are 6 and 2 9s are 18. 186 plus 2 is equal to 188. So how many circles will be there in 93rd pattern? That is 188 is our answer. I hope this example is clear to you all. Now beta, let's talk about the next example. Find P plus Q plus R plus S so that the sum of all the numbers along each line is 15. Here one square is given to us and on this square circles are also there on which number and alphabetical letters are also marked. We have to find out the value for P, Q, R and S, and then later on we will add them, and we have to find out their value such that their addition of one line is 15, means the sum of one line is 15. So 3 plus P plus 5 should be 15. 3 plus P plus 5 should be 15. So 3 plus 5, 8. What should I add into 8 to get 15? 7. So what is the value of this P? Is equal to 7. Clear? Now the next is this line. 5 plus S plus 6. 5 plus 6, 11, and 11 plus 4, 15. So what is the value of S? Is equal to 4. Now 6 plus 2, 8, and 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. So value for R is equal to 7. Now 3 plus 2, 5, and 5 plus 10, 15. So this is 10. Q is equal to 10. Now we have find out the value of these all. Now addition of these four terms, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 10, 28. So our answer is 28. I hope this example is also clear to you. Thank you everyone.